Okay, in this video we are going to be looking at problems 4 through 7 on the Math 7 Practice MSA. Okay, it says quadrilateral WXYZ is congruent to quadrilateral LKMN. Congruent means equal. So W is in the same position as L, so W is congruent to L. So here, angle W is 121, which means angle L is 121 degrees. The question says, what is the measure of angle L? Well, look, I've already done that. It is 121. Now, if they'd asked me about angle N, remember that a quadrilateral is 360, and I could have followed up and subtracted the angles I already knew to find the missing one. Problem number 5. Which coordinate plane shows triangle LMN after a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation about the origin? Okay, first thing you need to know, counterclockwise. Counterclockwise is this way, opposite of the way that a clock moves. So if I look at this problem, I was here and now I'm here, so I rotated forward, so this one would be wrong. This one I rotated backwards, so this is a possibility. This one I rotated backwards, so this is a possibility. Oh, wait a second, I didn't rotate that one. I actually did a slide. That one's a slide down. Okay, this one I rotated clockwise, so these two are a possibility. Let's look carefully though. It's 90 degrees. 90 degrees is one quadrant, so I rotated it one quadrant. I went from this axis to this one, so I went 90 degrees. In this one, I went 1, 2 axes. So each axis is 90 degrees, making this 180. So the correct answer is C. Okay, problem number 6. This table lists the ages of 12 store owners. Which stem and leaf plot correctly displays the data? Okay, clothing store should have 32, 35, 39. So if I focus on the clothing store, this one says 28, 29. 28, 29 is the answer for toy store, so this one is wrong. Let's look at this next one. I have 28, 29 under toy store. For clothing, I have 32, 35, 39. I have 53, 59, 59, which is correct, and 51. And I have 62, 62. Okay, I'm still going to check the other answers just in case. I look at this one. I have 28, 29, 34. I have my 53, my 59, my 59. For toy store, so that matches. For clothing, I have 32, 35, 39, 51, 62, 62. Okay, my key looks right. You read this as 53 because it's this side, and this one I would read as 51. All right. Let's compare these two because right now I'm thinking they're both correct. Oh, I see. In this one, they included the 4, even though there wasn't a 40. And that's actually the correct thing to do. You can't skip a set of numbers. So that would eliminate this one. Let's check the last choice. 28, 29, okay. 34, okay. 53, 59. Uh-oh, there's that second 59. This one doesn't have a second 59. So this won't be incorrect. So the correct answer is C. All right. Last problem. Students in a marching band collect money for new uniforms. The table shows the amount of money they collected last week. What is the mean amount of money the students collected? Okay, mean is another way of saying average, the typical average that we think of. So the first thing we need to do is add up all the money. So I'm going to take out my calculator and I'm going to add up the amounts. 25 and 34 cents plus $10. $10 and 45 cents plus $39.77. Ooh, I made a little boo-boo there. I hit it too fast. Okay, 39 and 77 cents. Then I'm going to do $78.35 and 63 $44.26 plus 57.18, which gives me $318.64. I found my mean, right? No, mean is if I took it and all things were equal on all 7 days. So I have to split this over 7 days so that they have an equal portion. So I'm going to divide this by 7, and I get $45.52. The amounts for Saturday and Sunday were recorded incorrectly. Saturday should have been $34.24, and Sunday should have been $75.18. So let me go back, and Saturday is $34.24. Okay, so I'm going to cross this out, and I'm going to go $34.24, and Sunday should have been $75.18. Okay, use what you know about determining the mean to explain how these changes will affect your answer in step A. Well, the amount of money collected is now increased, so my mean is going to be increased. That's one way I could express it, or I could actually take the time and do the mean again. So I'm going to do that, 25.34 cents, $10.45, 39.77 cents, 78.35 cents, 63.29 cents, 34.24 cents, and 75.18 cents, for a total of $326.62. I hit an extra 7 there, sorry. And I need to divide this by 7. So 326.62 divided by 7 gives me $46.66. So my mean would increase. And I can simply just show myself calculating it again, show my work for calculating it again, and say that the mean increased.